See that? It's hollow. There's something wrong with the back end of that one. See that one? It's got a birth defect. Here's how you release them. This one's got he's hollow inside. The abdomen, what for purpose is the abdomen if it can be so empty? Pardon me for yelling in your ear. How'd my camera work? They're too heavy for what wings they have. This guy can't take off. He literally can't take off. They're barely able to get from one place to another. But if you let them grab onto something, they can see this is smooth. All right, that one was forced to fly. Oh, there are no more cicadas to play with. Steve A. before you, just having fun with nature, saying see you in 73.